Banana. Banana. Bananas are soft and yellow. Avocado. Avocado. Avocados are creamy and healthy. Mango. Mango. Mangoes are tropical and sweet. Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberries are red and sweet. Grape. Grape. Grapes are small and tasty. Peach. Peach. Peaches are soft and delicious. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelons are big and juicy. Apple. Apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. Orange. Orange. Oranges are juicy and round. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapples are spiky and tangy. Cherry. Cherry. Cherries are small and bright red. Papaya. Papaya. Papayas are orange and soft. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of seeds. Lemon. Lemon. Lemons are sour and yellow. Kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwis are green and juicy. Plum. Plum. Plums are juicy and purple. Fig. Fig. Figs are sweet and soft. Guava. Guava. Guavas are full of tiny seeds. Coconut. Coconut. Coconuts have hard shells and sweet water. Blueberry. Blueberry. Blueberries are small and rich in nutrients. Raspberry. Raspberry. Raspberries are soft and tangy. Blackberry. Blackberry. Blackberries are juicy and sweet. Pear. Pear. Pears are soft and sweet. Apricot. Apricot. Apricots are small and delicious. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruits are vibrant and unique. Starfruit. Starfruit. Starfruits look like stars. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Passion fruits are tangy and tasty. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruits are big and heavy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.